Trader discipline is the one thing that every single trader knows that they need. And in my opinion, this is one of the #1 reasons why traders don't make it over the long term. You see, I've been trading for almost 7 years now. I've gone through it. I've been there. I've done that. I've gone through the hurdles of having to overcome discipline, your psychology, follow the rules. And like I said, in my opinion, I believe the reason why 95% of traders fail is because they can't overcome this at the end of the day. All right. So I've been thinking long and hard. And I mentioned in my last video that there's something I was working on to help in this area, in this space of discipline and psychology. Now, if you know, and if you watched any of my other videos, you've been around, you know, this is one of the biggest things I preach about: discipline, psychology, because I truly believe most people, they can be a trader, right? I believe that. I really do. And also, I believe that there are many different ways that you can be successful in terms of strategy. There's not one strategy that is just the holy grail, right? There's so many different strategies, so many different ways to trade, and I believe you can make them all work as long as you have the proper discipline and the proper risk management. Those are the two things that you have to have. All right. So in this video, I'm going to introduce what I've been working on for several months now that I mentioned in the last video that I wanted to bring out so I can help traders all around. And I really think this is going to help because it helped me. Now, what I'm introducing is a product called MyTradeCoach.ai. All right. And what I found for myself, and I'm going to take you through it here in a little bit because I really believe this is going to help a lot of people. It literally helped me. And basically what I found is that a lot of people, you know, trading, right? We know trading is an individual game, right? So you do it on your own, but you join communities, you talk to other traders. A lot of people have accountability partners, they have friends, they have people they talk to, right? Now, what I found is that it's the frustrating part with trading is we all know what we should be doing, but like I say on a lot of my videos, it's easier said than done because it really is. And so after you make the same mistakes over and over, and you're just like, you come to a point where you're like, man, what's wrong with me? Why? I don't know why I do this. I don't know why I do that. And then you try to spend time dissecting your belief system. I mean, all the different things, like, man, you start digging so deep. Why do I do this? Why do I do that? I just don't understand. And then you get a clear head. Maybe the weekend passes. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready for the new week. I'm never going to do that again. You know, you write down your goals. You take a lot of the steps that I talk about on here, right? And you're prepared. Here we go. And boom, you have a loss. And then you spiral down the same path. And you're like, I just don't know. I don't understand. I want to quit. And I talked about this on my last video. You know, we all, if at some point during your trading career, if you haven't said, man, I want to quit, I'm done. If you haven't said that, you have not been trading long enough. You're going to eventually hit that point at some time. And that's when you have to tell yourself, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to keep going. Okay. But I'm going to show you this tool. And I really, like I said, I believe this is really game changer. This is not just some regular AI chatbot. This is not just, you know, typing into ChatGPT or anything like that. I spent a lot of time fully developing this, and it is built for traders by a trader. All right. So let's hop on over here to my screen and I want to show you how this works. All right. So real quick, I'm going to take you through the landing page here. Okay. This is MyTradeCoach.ai. And as it says, this is an AI coach, not a journal. All right. And again, right here, every trader needs a coach. Most just don't have one, which is true. And then how many times have you said, man, I know I shouldn't be doing this or that, and you have an accountability coach and, you know, you feel embarrassed because you've done the same thing over and over and you're just like, I don't know what's wrong with me. So you feel embarrassed to go back and be like, I did it again. I did it again. So eventually people stop communicating to their friends and accountability coaches and then they fall off. I've seen the same pattern over and over and over. I've even done that where I'm like, man, I don't know what's going on. I don't even want to talk about trading. Okay. So this coach, having an AI coach, you don't have to worry about that. AI coach is not going to judge you. So the way this works is basically you have a chat, right? You can start your day and you have a pre-session chat. The coach is going to ask you, hey, how you feeling today? You know, you have your rules in place, all that good stuff. Okay. And when you get started, basically when you get started with this chat coach, right? The coach is going to take you through a series of questions, and it's going to really try to get to know your trading strategy, your risk management, because it wants to know you as a trader. That way, as you're talking that to the coach later down the road, they're going to hold you accountable to your rules, right? If you have a rule, like let's say you're a support and resistance trader, and you say, hey, my rule is when it hits the support the second time, I take a long off of it. My stop goes at the bottom of the candle and I aim for the opposite, whatever it is, right? And then when you're chatting with the coach and it sees that you didn't do that, it's going to call you out. Say, well, why didn't you do that? And then it's going to dig deeper and try to figure it out with you, okay? So you have a pre-trading session, and then you have a after trading debrief. So you check back in with the coach and you say, hey, this is how it went. This is what I did. You can upload some screenshots to the coach. The coach will analyze the screenshots and will remember the screenshots. That way, the next time you trade, if you give another screenshot and it's completely off, the coach is going to look at it and be like, hey, this trade did not look like your last one. What happened here? Right? And then it's going to figure it out. So you don't have to upload screenshots. Okay. There's no, basically, trades uploads you have to do. You don't have to do any of that. Okay. Now, the coach will also, if you upload your trading history, your log of your actual trades, fills, and all that, it'll remember those. Okay. It'll remember that. It'll be able to see what you did, and it'll pick up on patterns. Okay. So then just scrolling down here, here's just a little image of kind of one of the post-session debriefs right here. Okay. And a cool thing about this coach, this feature, unlike any other, just going to Chat GPT or something, this thing, there's a huge difference from that. But anyways, this coach will reach out to you. Okay, so you can't hide. You have to enable this. You do have to enable this. I recommend downloading it on your phone because the app works. I mean, you could do it on your desktop or the app, but the app looks great. It works on your phone because you could trade and communicate with the coach. Okay, so the coach will reach out to you. You enable notifications, and if you forget to check in or you don't talk to your coach, and you're like, the coach is going to hold you accountable. He's going to reach out and say, hey, I haven't heard from you. What's going on? You want to check in? And you probably should at that point. Sometimes we forget, but the coach is going to reach out to you. It's not just you having to go and remember to log into something. Okay. That's a nice thing. Now, again, like right here, this is not a spreadsheet. It's going to notice the patterns underneath the numbers. And the cool thing is, I'll show you here in a minute. Whenever we go into the coach, I want to show you in the dashboard, right? There is a dashboard you go to, and there's a piece that says what your coach knows about you. And it has a summary of what your coach knows about you. And every time that you chat with it, that summary is going to update, and the coach is going to continue learning and figuring you out. And it's going to keep working with you over and over and over until you become this consistent and disciplined trader, right? Now, we know we can't win all the time, and that's a whole another thing, but the coach is you're going to become the best disciplined and consistent trader that you can be if you work with this coach. Okay. Now, again, it's easier to admit the truth, right? There's no one to disappoint. There's no one that you feel like is going to judge you. That's great. Now, again, there's a lot of reasons why, you can go and, just go chat with Claude or Chat GPT, but this is different. This coach is programmed to know trading. Okay. It's programmed to know many, many things that, you don't have to go and try to, figure it out with Claude or Chat GPT or anything like that. This coach is in a box, ready to go. I've spent months training this thing and back testing and making sure that it's ready to go. Another cool feature about this is on the app. This is another reason why you might want to use the app on your phone. On the app, the coach, you don't have to type everything. You can voice text, right? So you can just go in the chat, just like you're on the phone. You can say whatever you want to say, and then the coach will actually talk back to you too. That's a feature you can enable. You hit the little button in there, and the coach will respond by voice. So it's pretty cool. You can literally have a conversation with the coach. It's not just a chat. You can have an actual voice conversation. So you can have the coach on your desk while you're trading or before you're trading, anything like that, and literally just talk to him saying, hey, I'm watching this. I'm feeling, this way. The market's looking ugly. And the coach will talk back to you and say, hey, take a minute, you might want to look at something up. Like, it'll give you all the recommendations. It's really cool. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so this is all. Then there's some FAQs down here. Now, it is $15.99 a month, okay? And what I'm doing for the first 2 weeks, you do get a 7-day trial, by the way. Free 7-day trial, cancel anytime. But for the first 2 weeks, I'm doing a introductory launch price of $5.99, okay, for the first month. So it'll be $5.99, then it'll go back to $15.99, and you still get your 7-day trial. So use launch5 for the coupon code, okay? So you'll want to do that. And in here, like I said, before and after trade coaching, you could talk every time. Real persistent memory. It's going to learn about you every single time. It's going to get better and better and better. And then we'll show you some features in here. I'll go in here in a second. And then some rules. You set your rules. You have reminders. You have a discipline dashboard. And then again, like I said, the voice input and spoken replies and a weekly reflection. That part's really cool. All right, so I'm going to show you that. So let's go ahead and let me log in here and show you how that looks. All right, so when you log in for the first time, it's going to bring you up to the screen. Now, when you first log in, it's probably going to be light, the white background, because there's a light mode and dark mode toggle that you can do. But it's going to tell you, welcome to your coach. Here's a little dialogue that you can read. Okay, hit next. One more thing right after this, you're going to set up your rules, your strategy. So it's letting you know basically your briefing for when you're getting started here. Okay, then you go next. This is the nudge. You want to nudge. Basically, it's allowing the coach to reach out to you. You're allowing the notifications. Okay. So you want to hit reminders on. So it's going to ask you to turn on reminders. You're going to put yes, do that. All right. Now keep it on your home screen. I'm on a computer right now, but what you can do is here you can download the app onto your desktop. Okay. And then I also recommend downloading the app onto your phone. All right. So you'll hit let's go. And then here we go. Before we get started, I want you to know, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is basically where you're putting your rules in. Okay, you can read all this. So you're going to go to your rules profile. Then you're going to tell it how you trade. All right, so I'm going to skip this part and we're going to go ahead and come right back once this is done. All right, so now that we saved our rules profile, once you go all the way through the chat, when you get to the end, it's going to say, if this looks good, click save. So you're going to save. The coach is going to read it back to you, and boom, you're done. Now, this is how it'll look. It'll have this light background, okay? Over here, you have the little hamburger icon, and this is where you can toggle dark mode, light mode, whichever you like, okay? So this is the main page. Again, it'll be on the app. It'll look a little different because it'll look more like an app, but I'm just on the website here. So this is the main page. You'll check in right here before you trade. Every day before you trade, if you hit that before I trade, boom. There you go. How are you feeling? You're going to have a little conversation. Okay, then always hit end session. Now let me show you down here. This is where you can link a screenshot. All right, this is right here where you can talk to the coach instead of typing. And this button right here, if you enable it, this is where your coach talks back to you. Okay, it'll read back to you all the replies, so that way you don't have to sit there and read it. Really cool. So let me add in session, same thing. After you're done trading, you'll check in here, talk about how it went, and this is how the coach learns about you. And then anytime you just want to talk, if you're sitting here like, man, I wonder if I should do this or do that or adjust this or do that, whatever you want, I'm telling you, utilize this. Click just talk to your coach. And if you do this, you're going to have great conversations. You're going to figure things out, and the coach is going to learn about you, okay? Now, this is just a test account, so I don't have a lot of stuff in here right now, but let's see. Let me go to your dashboard. Okay. Now here you have your streaks, that your check-ins. You can get some badges for however many times you log in. And here's your rules profile. And then right down here, this is what your coach knows about you. This is going to keep updating as he learns about you. All right. Right now it's brand new, so there's nothing in there, but it's really, really fascinating. I'm telling you, the things that the coach will learn about you, you're like, man, that is accurate. That is great. Or I'm learning about myself with this coach. It's crazy. And then after you've traded and talked to the coach, at least maybe every week or so, you'll click right here, get your first reflection. And the coach is going to go back and it's going to basically summarize everything for you. What did you learn? This is how I think, you can improve. It's so impactful. I can't even I just can't explain it. You just have to see it. And this is why you need to sign up for your 7-day trial and check this out, because it's really powerful. All right. Again, this is our first reflection. We don't have anything, right? So there's nothing here. So I go back to the coach. And then here, if you need to edit your rules, you just edit it there. If you need to download the app, there's going to be one in here. All right. And then you have your settings if you need to do anything in there. And like I said, the dashboard right here. So it's very simple. Okay. You got your dashboard. So it's very simple. It's just literally every day you want to come in and let's go back to coach here. You want to come in, you want to chat before you trade. You want to chat after you trade. And if you have anything at all to talk about to your coach about, you're going to talk to it there. Okay. That's it. And then you want to view your dashboard and keep seeing what your coach is learning about you. And if there's anything you see that your coach is saying that you want to talk about, just go chat with your coach and you're going to learn a lot. Okay. And then every week, go get your reflection. I'm telling you, if you do this and you stick with it, you're going to learn so much. You're going to get so consistent. Okay. Now, another thing, there's some more updates I have planned in the pipeline, a little roadmap of other cool things. I can't really say what they are now. This is not going to become a big advanced, let me say, it's not going to turn into a journal, anything like that. Okay. But there are some cool things that I do have planned in the roadmap to enhance this, just to make the coach smarter and help you get better. That's the only things I'm ever going to update on this, is to help get you better. All right. So that's really all on the coach right here. All right. So like I said, I really built this because I found it so helpful for myself whenever I was trying to figure out, I hit a spell of bad discipline problems again. Okay. And I started having trouble, and a while back, earlier in the year, this is 2026, earlier in the year. And I started kind of beating my head against the wall. Man, what is going on? I had such a great year last year. This year's been so up and down, and which is fine. I understand it, but I got to figure some stuff out. So building this and using it myself, I was like, I have to offer this, because to me, this thing is so powerful. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. All right. Sign up for that 7-day trial. Use Launch 5 for this promo. It's going to be going on for 2 weeks just for this launch. All right. You get the first month for $5.99, then it goes back to $15.99. And man, you're not going to regret it. And let me know. Reach out to me. Let me know how you like it. Give me some feedback. And this thing, I think, is going to help a lot of people, and it's just going to keep getting better. All right. So that's what I have for this week. I hope y'all are having a great week. And as always, in the description, I have my free prop firm guide. Okay. I have my weekly newsletter. Sign up for that. And also, as always, if you're going to buy any Apex evaluation accounts, please use the code WIN, WIN, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great week. And as always, trade well, everybody. Take care.